Emily with Hallowed Beauty. Welcome to my channel. If you've never been here before, welcome. If you have, I hope we have established a friendship already. So today I'm gonna be reviewing two e.l.f. products. They're the liquid glitter eyeshadows. This one's the Disco Queen and this one is Purple Rain. These are part of my continuous Ulta haul that I've been doing for the past like 500 years. I'm almost done, by the way. I have two more liquid eyeshadows from Kat Von D that I'm gonna review, and then I will be done with that. And then I'll just continue to do looks and then other boring things after that, right? Okay. I'm gonna be trying one color on this lid, one on this lid, and then come back and show you guys maybe a look with this. We're first gonna try the Purple Rain, and if you guys haven't seen, I have tried out the 24K Gold and a couple other liquid shadows like the Kat Von D ones and other shades. I'm gonna put that video right here if you want to check that out and see the other colors. Okay, so I'm not putting any primer on my lid just to see how this looks without any primer. Here we go. What you guys think? What y'all think? I don't think it's bad. Right? I think it's pretty shimmery. It's pretty nice. It's a little transparent, but again, we don't have any primer on our lid. I think I would be able to make this work, okay? I really think so. Let's try Disco Queen on this other eye. I have a feeling this one's gonna be very light and transparent just because it's like a white. Again, very light, very transparent, but honestly, I like how they turned out. They're really pretty. I think if you let them dry for like a minute and then start applying your shadow, or apply your shadow first and then kind of, apply this, let it dry a little bit and then blend it out, I think you'd be all right. I think you'd be all right. Yeah, okay, well, this was the e.l.f. liquid eyeshadow, so whatever you guys think about that, go and buy it. I am going to do a look with these shadows, these liquid shadows, so I'm gonna come back and show you guys what I'm gonna do. All right. already trying this highlighter right here, this color. I have already tried this color and this color in my previous videos. I can link them right there. But I am going to be trying this one right here, this beautiful golden highlights, and we're gonna see what this looks like because I wanted to try out all of these shades. Can you see it? Maybe I need to put a little bit more on. It is a more like a golden color, so it'll probably be more of like a golden highlight. Yeah, there we go. That's pretty. So this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I really love this eyeshadow look. I call it my purple ice princess, I think is the perfect name for this. I really like how the liquid shadows kind of blend together once you really kind of blend everything out. It looks really nice. So I hope you guys go and try this product out. And also the highlighter is very nice as well. Please do not forget to subscribe on your way out, and also turn on those post notifications so that every time I post, you get a ding and I post it. But please guys, stay beautiful, stay you, and we'll see you next time.